क्या आप भी देश और दुनिया की खबरों से रह जाते हैं बेखबर? तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए हमारे HT न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Hyderabad police quiz Rakesh Reddy from today for 3 days in Jayaram's murder case. Since the Nampally court issued orders for 3 days police custody to the two accused in the NRI industrialist Chigurupti Jayaram's murder case, Jubilee Hills police took the prime accused Rakesh Reddy and his associate Srinivas into their custody on Wednesday morning. They are going to quiz them for 3 days till Friday and seek clarifications from them. Earlier Telangana police, after taking them into custody from the AP police, shifted them to Chanchalguda jail from Nandigama jail. The Nampally court remanded them for 14 days. Later police filed a petition in the court for their custody for 3 days to intensify their investigation. According to the Banjara Hills ACP, K. Srinivasa Rao, who is the investigation officer in the case, is going to interrogate them on the financial transactions made by Rakesh Reddy with the Jayaram. Based on the issues and the evidences revealed by him, they moved forward in the case. ACP said they already inquired some of the friends of Jayaram and the accused Rakesh Reddy and recorded the statements of them. Police are going to quiz them on the issues like the mode of transaction in the amount 4.5 crore rupees loan as said by the accused. Is there any role of Shikha Chaudhary in the murder case, since the Andhra Pradesh police gave her clean chit by saying that she did not have any role? Did she know about the murder plot of Jayaram earlier? Police are going to inquire. Already they informed her on phone that she has to appear before police on their demand at any time. The Hyderabad police also going to inquire on the role played by the two police officers of Telangana, since the allegations came against them that they have given guidance to Rakesh Reddy in shifting the body of Jayaram to Nandigama from Hyderabad.